Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make this professional looking Phoenix design. You can see how amazing it looks, and it's going to be very easy, like I'm telling you. Like, it's very simple to design this. So first of all, I'm going to set up a radio question. So if you know the answer to the radio, put it in the comment section. And if you don't know, you have to watch the video, because the answer may be anywhere in the video, either in the beginning section, in the middle, or the ending. It can be anywhere. So alright, without wasting much time, let's begin. So this is the resources we're going to be using, these two. So I'm going to put the link in my description for you to be able to download it. I'm going to put the original design aside. I'll just keep it here. And I'm going to bring this first. Let me just gonna bring this, go to my bitmaps, convert to bitmaps. So the resolution of 300 dpi is okay. If it's okay, then go back to my bitmaps again, then straight to quick trace, select it. So it usually takes some time for it to load, so we're just going to wait like a couple of minutes, then it's done loading. So right, it's now downloading. So once I've done this, I'm going to ungroup it. So instead I come over here to ungroup all objects, or I press Ctrl U on my keyboard. So now it has been ungrouped. So I'll just simply remove this, so this is all useless, we don't need them anymore. So this is only what we're going to be using. So I'm going to give this a dark red color. Then I want to take it aside, so I'm just going to cut it for the moment. I'm not like taking it away, I'm still going to put it back. So I'm going to give this a black color, black 100% color. I'm going to paste the stuff back. So this, I'm going to put it here. So I'll just increase it a bit so as to cover it well. Then I'll bring this, to just be within the flame. So once I've done this, I'll go to my ellipse tool, hold my control to create a perfect circle. So I'll just draw a circle like this. Right. So I'll take it up. Now reduce it. Okay, so it's okay. So go to my bitmaps. But first of all, I'll give it a white color. Remove the outline. Then I go to my bitmaps. Oh, sorry. Then convert to bitmaps. So the same 300 dpi resolution is okay. Go to effects, over to blur. Then we'll come over to the Gaussian blur. So this is a bit cool. So you can see it, the radius is of 66.9 pixels. So take note of that. So once I've done this, I'm going to take it to the back of the design. So you control page down. So this, so I can still go to the blur and increase it if I want to. So I can make it more blurry. So I think the previous one was better. Yeah. looks okay. So now it looks exactly like the design itself. So like I said before, this is very simple and easy to make just within minutes, and we are done with making this complex design just with these simple steps I showed you. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.